Hello friends, I'm Shamsuddin. I welcome you financial accounting classes. In this class, I'm going to solve problems relating to preparation of total creditors account to find out total purchases. Let us read the problem. From the following facts furnished by Sri Patil, who keeps his books under single entry system, ascertain his total purchases. The data is given. Opening creditors rupees 30,000, opening bills payable rupees 15,000. Cash and checks paid to creditors rupees 1,51,000, of which rupees 10,000 included paid towards machinery. Bills payable discharged during the year rupees 40,000. Return outwards rupees 6,000. Freight charges freight charged by suppliers rupees 10,000. Discount allowed by creditors rupees 5,000. Bills payable dishonored rupees 1,000. Cash purchases rupees 1,15,000. Closing creditors rupees 20,000. Closing bills payable rupees 25,000. And the additional data is given relating to opening creditors include rupees 10,000 paid to A. In this problem, there are items which are not usual to debtors account. The first item, amount paid to A rupees 10,000, which is included in opening creditors, must be minused, and the amount paid to A for machinery bill rupees 10,000, that must be deducted from cash and checks paid to creditors. Let us solve the total purchases. To solve total purchases, first we have to prepare bills payable account to find out the total bills payable issued during the year. Bills payable is the liability. The opening balance always shows credit, or we can write it is a opening balance. In this problem, the bills payable balance is rupees 15,000, and cash paid against bills must be debited to this account, cash or bank. It is the amount paid against bills payable rupees 40,000. And in case if there is any bills dishonored, that must be taken as sundry creditors. This is the entry for bills payable dishonored, BP dishonored. The amount of dishonor rupees 1,000, which must be debited, and the closing balance carried down, or we can write closing balance. It is rupees 25,000 given in the problem, and no other transactions. We must close this account. Total is 66,000. The same should be written opposite side to find out what will be the missing figure. The missing amount is 51,000. This 51,000 is termed as total sundry creditors. Sundry creditors, even we can call it is a total creditors. This is new bills payable. New bills payable issued during the year. So this is the balancing figure in this problem. Balancing figure. So this must be transferred to total creditors or sundry creditors to find out total purchases made by the business. After preparation of total bills payable or sundry bills payable account, let us prepare total creditors or sundry creditors account to find out credit purchases. Sundry creditors is the liability. The opening balance shows credit side. Opening balance, or we can write balance brought down rupees 20,000. The closing balance, that is closing balance, or we can write balance carried down. It is rupees 20,000. Cash paid to suppliers or creditors must be taken debit side, cash or bank account. But the total amount paid is 1,51,000. But out of 1,51,000, there is an amount of rupees 10,000 which is paid to A towards machinery. The machinery account is a fixed asset account. That amount must be deducted from this total amount of rupees 1,51,000. It comes to rupees 1,41,000. And the freight charges charged by supplier, that must be credited to this account. It is rupees 10,000. And returns outwards, it means purchase returns outwards, or we can write purchase returns. Such purchase returns must be debited to this account. It is rupees 6,000. And discount received is an income to us, but it is an expense to creditors. It must be debited to creditors account. And this year, whatever the bills payable issued this year, means this is, we can write as a total BP account also. This is nothing but new bills issued during the year. This amount is found by preparing the total bills payable account. This is the amount transferred from the previous account. And in case if there is any bills payable dishonored, that will be written credit side, bills payable account. It is, or we can write it is a total bills payable account. This is bills dishonored, bills payable dishonored must be credited to total creditors account. In this problem, the bills dishonored are rupees 1,000. After taking all these figures, we must close this account. There is an amount, debit side is greater than the credit side. The total amount 2,23,000 it must be taken opposite side 2,23,000. Out of 2,23,000, if we deduct the above said items, the balancing figure will be 1,92,000. This is termed as credit purchases. Credit purchases. This is very important item because this information is important to prepare trading account. This is balancing figure. Balancing figure. In this way, total bills payable and total creditors account is prepared. Thank you. Jai Hind.